Hello and welcome to a Mitsubishi Electric Quick Tips video. Today we're going to talk about how to use an PU07 parameter unit to upload parameters from one drive and then download them to another drive. The first step is to remove the built-in display. Next, insert the PU07 parameter unit. Then upload all parameters to the PU07 by pressing the PR Set button. Then press the down arrow 4 times to select 4, param copy. Then press Read. Next, press Read again. And then press Write. At this stage, the parameters will then be copied. Please wait. Once reading is completed, the display will say so. Next, press Mon to return to the home screen. Next, install the PU07 with the uploaded parameters into the drive for download. Place the parameter unit into the drive. Then download all the parameters. To do this, press PR Set. Next, press the down arrow 4 times to select 4, param copy. Then press Read. Next, press the down arrow once to select 2, Write VFD. Then press Read again. Finally, press Write. The parameters are written. Please wait. When writing is completed, the display will say so. Finally, press Mon to return to the home screen.